Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Dishwashers have spray arms that shower the dishes with water. If the spray arms are damaged or clogged, then the dishes won't clean properly. In this episode, I'll show you how to access and replace the upper, middle, and lower spray arms. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your dishwasher and where they are located. First, shut off the breaker to disconnect the power. In some cases, you can unplug the dishwasher. Now shut off the water supply valve. This should be located under the sink. First, remove the dish rack. Use a flat blade screwdriver to release the tabs and simply lift it off. In some models, you'll have to remove several mounting screws. Now align the new spray arm and snap it into place. If needed, tighten the mounting screws. Finally, replace the dish rack. To access the middle spray arm, you'll have to remove the upper rack. Removing the top rack is fairly simple. On the rails are end caps. Press down on the tabs to release the caps. Pull the rack forward until the rails are fully extended. Now remove the dish rack. The spray arm assembly is mounted by several retaining clips. It's best to use a flat blade screwdriver to help release the clips. Now remove the spray arm assembly. Align the new spray arm onto the rack. Starting at one end, snap each of the clips into place. Work your way down to the other end to secure the assembly. Align the dish rack onto the rail and slide it forward. Now replace the end caps. These will snap into place. If needed, release any mounting tabs. Now twist and pull out to remove it. Now align the new spray arm and twist until it locks into place. Turn on the water supply. Next, reconnect the power. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our AMRE Supply branches. Thanks for watching.